Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, India requests US for enhanced standoff capability for MQ-9B drones with Lockheed Martin's JAGM-MR. India has made a formal request to the United States of America urging the inclusion of Lockheed Martin's AGM-MR, that is medium range missiles, on its fleet of MQ-9B drones. The AGM-MR missiles, currently in the developmental phase, offers double the range of the AGM-114 Hellfire missiles commonly equipped on MQ-9B UAVs. Next, Indian private firms express interest in developing indigenous air-to-air refueling probe. In a bid to reduce dependency on foreign equipment manufacturer, the Aeronautical Development Agency (ADA) of India recently issued a request for information for the development of an indigenously built air-to-air refueling probe. The move has garnered interest from 2 Indian private sector firms. Next, lithium-ion batteries plus AIP to enhance India's Kalvari Class Submarine. DRDO has awarded a contract to Larsen & Toubro, a leading private sector company, for the manufacturing of 2 fuel cell-based air-independent propulsion, that is AIP system modules. These modules are designed to enhance the capabilities of the Kalvari Class Submarine in the Indian Navy. Next, India aims for 20% local content in MQ-9B. In a move to bolster indigenous manufacturing and technological capabilities, India has set its sights on achieving a significant increase in local content in the production of drones, contrary to previous reports suggesting an 8% target. The country now aims to achieve an impressive 20% local content in the manufacturing of these unmanned aerial vehicles. Next, Predator drones to be deployed by defense forces at 3 major hubs across India. Indian Defence Forces will deploy the 31 Predator drones at 3 major hubs across the country to carry out surveillance of all areas, including the borders with China and Pakistan and the vast maritime zone. During Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the US, the 2 countries announced the plans of Indian forces to procure 31 Predator drones. Next, Russia says Wagner Group's leader will move to Belarus after his rebellious march challenged Putin. The rebellious Russian mercenary commander, who ordered his troops to march on Moscow before abruptly reversing course, will move to neighboring Belarus and not face prosecution, the Kremlin said Saturday, as part of a deal to defuse a crisis that represented the most significant challenge to President Vladimir Putin in his more than 2 decades in power. Next, PM Modi meets Egyptian Prime Minister, discusses trade ties with India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday began his maiden state visit to Egypt by holding discussions with his Egyptian counterpart Mustafa Madbouli and top cabinet ministers on deepening trade relations and further strengthening the strategic partnership. Thank you.